What is up, everybody? My name's Rookzer and welcome to another vlog. I know that I've been trying to do more of this video here and not as much the motovlogging part for the weekend vlogs, but it's proven to be kind of hard lately. Plus, I don't have to wear glasses anymore. I know I haven't been glasses for the past wearing month, but anyway, I haven't been wearing intro. So I haven't been wearing glasses for the past couple months, and the reason is because I lost my last pair. But if you remember a few months back, yeah, I was wearing glasses. And the reason I'm not right now is because I don't have to. I can actually see clearly. I had LASIK done. Check this out. Now this is not what LASIK does to you. That's just the bruising and whatnot, because what they do is they cut the lens open, they fold it over, they shoot the laser inside, they drip some water stuff in there, they put it back over there, they smooth it out, they drip some more stuff on there, and then you're good to go. You have to put drops and stuff in every now and then. Your eyes dry out like really bad. Like my eyes have been dry as a bone, and I've been like constantly putting eye drops in there. But anyway, I am kind of running a little late this morning, so let's... man. Okay, apparently the kickstand wasn't down. That's a thing. And... oh, I got my flush mount signals on now. I got the clear ones. Well, it's not as cold as it was last week, but it's gloomy looking. I knew I'd forget something. I forgot my damn blink drops. So the LASIK post-care is I have to take medicated drops for a week, and then I have to put in like real tears drops every like hour or so, or as needed. And yesterday I forgot the medicated drops at home, and today I forgot the fucking teardrops. I'm gonna stop at Speedway or something, grab some. Really? Hey, Mr. Red Light Runner, you got far. There have been Dollar Generals popping up around here all over the place. So it's been about 2 weeks since the idiot pulled a gun on me, and ever since I've been getting nothing but comments of, you need to call the police, you need to do this, you need to do that, and I'm like, I know. I did call the police. I did try to have them come out and take a report. Ooh, but they're like, you know, did it happen in Jefferson or Bullitt County? And I'm like, it happened in Jefferson County. And they're like, okay, well, that's, you know, Jefferson County or Louisville Metro's, they're like, that's Jefferson County jurisdiction. And I'm like, okay, whatever. So then I called Jefferson County, and I know that, yeah, they're gonna try. But the dude lives in Bullitt County. So, Bullitt County is, well, can be crooked. As I know there are quite a few crooked cops in Bullitt County. Oh God. The fuck? In the state of Kentucky, it is illegal to throw stuff in the middle of the road. Whether it be lawn clippings, whether it be fucking gravel, any of that stuff. It's illegal. What the fuck? It's another reason that instead of going to the police over and over and over again about the guy pulling the gun on me, I ended up just going to the news. Because at least then I know they're going to do something. Or maybe force the police to do something. And I just realized if my visor's like water and fogged up, that means this camera is too. He killed it. He stalled it. Waiting on you. Oh yeah, I just remembered I don't have my headlight or my turn signals up here so I can chillax, bro. It feels so weird riding like that. Unclasp your bra and set those puppies free. They'd look a whole lot better without that sweater, baby, I'm sure you'll agree. If you got 2 fun bags, show them to me. There's no such thing as a bad breast, I believe this much is true. If you're a big fat man, I'm a titty fan, and I'd love to see yours too. Alright, so I'm out here at Cherokee Park, and look at how beautiful the leaves are already. Look at all this. That's simply amazing. All the trees already changing colors because it's fall and it's beautiful. And I'm out here riding Keith Grom 2.0 in my Voss helmet, and it's great. Life is good, life is great. Life helps me masturbate. What's going on, man?
No, man, I went to your YouTube today to see what was up with you.
Oh, yeah?
Grom life.
Grom life, bro.
This is my pussy, man. Put that on the GoPro. Alright, next time don't put your foot down in rocks, jackass. It was like blink, blink, blink. I was like, what the fuck?
I know. Dude, tandem boys.
Oh my god. That's fucking great. I'm gonna learn how to do that shit.
Pull the front brake.
Yeah, it doesn't work. Sir, you better stop that shit.
Oh my god, they're gonna fight! This guy's too busy looking for his penis.
Huh?
I said this guy's too busy looking for his penis.
I know.
He's like, huh?
I ain't riding a wheel, I just want to ride the street back. Don't laugh at me.
Hey, Spence.
What?
Spence.
What?
Battery died on the GoPro.
Maybe if you took more than just 2 batteries for a full day with a GoPro.
Again,
you would have been able to record the entire night.
watch it.
You dumbass. Don't point your finger at me.
Anyway, yeah, it's 11:40 and I'm headed to bed. I stayed out. I actually ran into crew, but it was after the battery died. I tried to put it on a charger and then I forgot and blah blah blah. It's actually got a full battery now. Yay, whoopty can do. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. I feel like I'm getting pretty good at my wheelies. I've practiced quite a few of them. I don't know how many the camera caught, but yeah, cool. So yeah, that's gonna... That was unexpected. That's gonna conclude... Oh, damn, I can't do this. Can't. That's going to conclude this video. That's going to do it for this video. I'm going to end this video. I have been featured in, I think, 6 videos for the idiot that pulled a gun on me. If you want to see that, it's right up there. And, yeah, it's crazy. 6 channels came to me and were like, hey, you know, we'd like to feature this video in a compilation coming up. And I'm like, cool, go for it. So many of them did it that I should have been like, yeah, give me 20 bucks. Because I know they're going to get tons. Because they're going to be able to monetize theirs. Mine was not able to be monetized. Because YouTube. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, hopefully this turned out okay. Because I don't feel like shooting this again. And stuff. I'm going to try to find some different spots that I can do the beginning, end, and any other ones where I'm not holding the camera up. Because I know that gets a little shaky and switching arms and all that stuff. I'm lazy. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, rate, comment, subscribe, share these videos out with all the people you might think found some kind of entertainment value out of it. And as usual, I will see you guys online. Peace.